Alright guys, here we go with another unboxing. We're hitting the spot for presentation, obviously. So here we go. We've got what seems to be my nemesis. How did I get this? I don't know. Anyhow, so we'll just dive right into the unboxing. We'll move the camera a little bit closer and see what is gonna happen real quick with this. It's very cool that it came with a sticker right out of the box. Look at that. It's a patch. It says, if you crash me, or don't crash me or else. Maybe that's more like it. So again, watch out. Do not copy the way that I unbox things because it's dangerous. I do it for the speed. So I got a need for speed. I've definitely got the need for speed. Anyway, let's see what's going on here in this thing, and we'll figure it out.
Likey